The other suggestion that I'm going to talk about is geographically limiting the area of the city. So we do have in the last plan, green belt being created, but I think that should be converted into a forest reserve, not a green belt. So what we therefore need is a city plan which would look something like this. That means for cities, when it grows to a size of certain radius, we should be able to create a forest reserve around that. Maybe a 1 kilometer belt of area which could actually be demarcated as a forest. So therefore, only Bangalore being grown into bigger Bangalore or Maha Bangalore and Brahat Bangalore and so on, one could always say that, well, it's Bangalore is one, then you have another city, maybe Yelahanka or Dodbalapur or Hoskote or Nelamangala or Biddi and so on. So there could be, these other cities equally coming up in the nearby area, and therefore, one could actually have a limit to individual city growth. And if we are able to do this, if we are able to, let's say, convert what we said with respect to, let's say, green belt into a forest reserve, then we can actually limit the size of the city, which would also mean that this city would have so many wards and therefore so many councillors. We don't have the uncertainty with respect to how many, how large it's going to grow and so on. And therefore, giving even political powers. Today, I think there is a lot of talk about how much power the city government should have compared to state government. So as cities grow bigger and bigger, the state is also unwilling to give a lot of power to the city, right? Because that itself will become bigger than or fairly large compared to the state government itself. So therefore, if it is a smaller city, I'm sure people would agree for directly elected mayor or mayor's term being 5 years and so on. Today, there is not much of a political buy-in for giving a lot more power to the mayors because of these reasons. That's, if a city is large and if individual is able to control it, then the state government would have less say in city management, and therefore, they would be unwilling to give that power. So if there are cities like this, then you can come up with much more, effective governance structure. Maybe something like in a 5-year term for a mayor. Mayor is overall responsible for the city's governance and so on, and therefore with that, you could probably streamline a lot many things that we have currently problems with. Well, so that's what I thought I will share with you, and if there are any questions, I will take it up.